Every time you say you're going to Xerox something, it makes the people at Xerox Corporation feel like taking an aspirin. Yes, Xerox is a brand name that's often used as a generic word, which is obviously a headache for the company that owns the brand. By the way, Aspirin too is a brand name for acetylsalicylic acid, registered by the pharmaceutical company Bayer. These brand names are in a sense victims of their own success. They are so popular, people start using them to refer to the entire product category, and often they don't even know that they're using a brand name. This is very annoying for the owner of the brand name, especially when you're using it to refer to a product made by a different company. Like for example, when we call clear adhesive tape, sellotape or scotch tape, both of which are actually brand names. Or when we refer to sticky notes as post-its even when they're made by a different company. The list goes on. We say Maggi when we want instant noodles, regardless of the brand. We say Bisleri when we want any brand of bottled water. Dalda for any brand of hydrogenated vegetable oil. Colgate for all toothpastes, Pampers for all diapers, Plasticine for modeling clay, Thermos for vacuum flasks, Band-Aid for adhesive bandages, Ping Pong for table tennis, and so on and so forth. In some cases, not only would we be surprised to learn that the word we are using is a brand name, but we would be hard-pressed to find another word for the object in question. Adrenaline, bubble wrap, cellophane, dumpster, escalator, Frisbee, formica, heroin, kerosene, styrofoam, trampoline, velcro, videotape, yo-yo, all are or were brand names. What else would you call these things if not by these words? I don't know. Some of the brand owners have fought legal battles to retain the exclusive right to use these brand names, but in many cases they lost the battle. App, for example, was a trademark claimed by Apple, but it was cancelled. When we see someone's impossibly perfect face on a magazine cover, we say it's been photoshopped. We mean that it's been digitally manipulated, which is probably true, but it probably hasn't been done by using Adobe's Photoshop software. Don't believe me? Then Google it. That's another brand name that's become a generic term to mean an internet search. I'm the English Nut, and it's bye for now.